All right. I guess with this video, it's kind of a combo of promotion. And what I mean by that, I'm going to promote LIVEGOOD, okay? But I'm also going to tell you about something that I kind of put some salt and pepper. I put some stang on LIVEGOOD, all right, to increase views to it, clicks, sales, and moolah, okay? Because let's just admit, if we're going to put some time and effort into promoting something or talking about something, we want to get paid, right? There's nothing wrong with that. And with what I'm about to show you, you always hear Grant, is it Cardone? He always talks about 10xing. If you're making a buck, why not make $10? It's just as easy. Or maybe 10xing $10, get up to the old hundy. All right. Mine goes a lot more than 10x. My thing. Okay. So let me just show you what I mean. Okay. Get yourself a little drinky. Get yourself maybe a pen and a piece of paper, or at least get good at memorizing or at least bookmarking what I'm going to show you. Okay. Now, just to backtrack, I joined LIVEGOOD March of 2023. I'm producing this mid-September of 2024. So I have about a year and a half under my belt, even though I don't have one on right now. Okay. But I don't have experience with network marketing, affiliate marketing, MLM. I know all about them. All right. I've been approached to join these things since the 80s. All right. So I'm going back 30, 40 years, but it's not me. I'm not going to sell a bottle of shampoo for $50 to my grandma or my pet giraffe when that $50 shampoo is only worth $5. Okay. So I joined LIVEGOOD because number one, I like their products. And number two, when I found out to be an affiliate, it's only $40 for life. One time, one and done. I thought, okay, what do I have to lose? $40. I'm buying the products anyway. And I became a member because every month I was buying these products. And if you become a member for $9.95 a month, or, spend $100 and you get 12 months for the price of 10, you will get wholesale pricing. And if you go to livegood.com, go to the products tab, and you can look up the products, how much, all right, shipping and handling, all that is, there's only shipping. That is decided when you put the products in the cart, so to speak, and enter your address. But anyway, it was a no-brainer that I should be a member and spend $9.95 a month because I was literally saving anywhere from $30 to $50 a month. Okay. So I become a massive fan of LIVEGOOD. Okay. Now, when you sign up with LIVEGOOD, if you sign up with LIVEGOOD, thank you, because I get a $25 bill. Okay. The $10 a month, I get half of that just when you sign up, one time only. And then I also get an additional $40, okay, with that, with $49.95, okay, 10 of it, okay, follow me, is the monthly fee. So half of that is $5. Now, the $40 affiliate fee, the company is willing to split that with me 50%. So 20 plus 5, $25. I get that every Thursday. So if you sign up today being, what is today? I think today's Tuesday. I can't remember, something like that. All right. But anyway, when you go in your back office, you can see, oh, good, I made $25. Okay, where did I get it from? Okay, if that's you signing up, thank you. It's like buying me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay, now, how can I 10x that? Or 1,000x it? Or I don't know, 7.5x it? You just want to make more money. Okay, but if you're going to do something else besides LIVEGOOD, wouldn't it be nice that if you put the effort in to whatever that is, number one, pays, and number two, complements LIVEGOOD? Because I don't want you trying to sell car parts, and then if you join LIVEGOOD, you're trying to recruit or just talk about watching short videos about LIVEGOOD, the opportunity to buy the products for a really good deal, and also to be an affiliate. Okay, affiliate, car parts. All right, do you see how that doesn't really match? But if you have something like a website that people need, that can put some money in your pocket. And on top of that, you can put LIVEGOOD inside this website. So people go and they go, God, you know what? I like the website. I like the design. There's customer service. There's income. all the credit card processing, and I can put 2 opportunities out of 4 in this one website. And don't worry, I'm going to show you all this. And when this video is done, you can just sit back and watch the little video and decide for yourself. Number 1, do you want to join LiveGood? And number 2, how would you like to have 4 incomes instead of 1? All while putting sunshine and warm milk and honey and a little blanket on your little baby LiveGood. All right? Okay. Now, I want you to write down one thing if you're not in LiveGood. I'm just going to hold up my business cards instead of split my screen. Joincory.com. I want you to go there. Okay? You're going to watch a 5-minute and 55-second video about LiveGood. Okay? And decide, hey, you in and out? Are you in or out? And if you're in, good. Join underneath me, and I'm going to show you everything I do, because I actually have 5 incomes online. Not just 1. Not just little baby LiveGood. I have 4 other opportunities. And they all draw attention to LiveGood. They all complement LiveGood. They increase views, clicks, likes with social media, and get you sales for LiveGood. And it is amazing on how it can, to quote the great Grant Cardone, can you make that $25 times 10? Okay? Or 5. Can you 10x $25? I'm here to tell you that I am living proof that yes, you can. But first, you have to look into LiveGood. Joincory.com. Now, I want you to second, pleasewatchvideo.com. I own that website. I own that domain. And I forward it to this opportunity, this website that can completely put a lot of money potentially in your pocket. Now, I can't guarantee that, but I'm just saying that your boy here has made a substantial amount of money with this company. I love the ownership. I love the customer servicing, the handling, the credit card processing. The training is outstanding, and it works. What I do is invite people to watch a short little video to LiveGood, joincory.com. And then when I joined this other opportunity to help LiveGood, I kept going like this. Please watch video. Please watch this video. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please watch my video. Yeah, and I'm like thinking, God, I wonder if pleasewatchvideo.com's open. So what did I do? I went to my favorite place, GoDaddy, and I went ahead and I bought pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, so let's go on a little journey. I'm just going to show you what I do. Okay, now this is LiveGood. You can check out the products. Please go to the FAQ. Okay, there's a lot of questions that are answered. Then go to the very bottom. And at the very bottom, you're going to see right here, pay plan. Okay, I want you to just go over the pay plan. Okay, but do that at your own leisure. Okay, now right now, I'm going to go to the top here. Now watch what I type in. Please watch video. Do you see this web page? It's completely produced by this company. I did not have to do a thing. Now they have a lot of these little videos with backgrounds that you can choose. I love just beaches, summer, especially in the wintertime. I always want to go and work on my tan somewhere, even if it's snowy outside here in Utah where I live. But I love this background. I love this video, and it works. I've got hundreds and hundreds of hundreds and hundreds of people that have signed up doing this opportunity. Today, I made another $200-300. Just 1 out of 5 incomes, guys. Because very often, I hit well over $500 to $1,000 a day. Sometimes I make $2,000 to $3,000 a day. Now, my results might be a little different than your experience, but all I can do is just storytell and tell you about what I've been doing the last year and a half since I joined the mighty LiveGood. Now, remember, pleasewatchvideo.com. I want you to write that down or at least bookmark it. I want you to click this little red button here and watch this YouTube video. Okay? It shows you what this website is so that when people go to it, there's 4 things to look at. Kind of like going to a shopping mall. You know, when you go to a mall, you park. Oh gosh, let's say you need a shirt and you need a hat. Go across the aisle and need some shoes. Then maybe go to the food court. That mall made 4 incomes off you just going into one door, park your car, bicycle, maybe you took a bus. But when you went through that one door at the mall, it had 4 incomes by you buying shoes, a hat, shirt, and maybe some nice little food at the food court that's probably overpriced. Okay? That's what this is. PleaseWatchVideo.com. It's an awesome, well-produced video. If you join this funnel system where basically people go to PleaseWatchVideo.com, you watch a little video, and if you like what you see, put your name and address, email address, into the little capture page and just click, ching. It'll take you in the back office. And if you want to join, join. And if you don't, no harm, no foul. Okay, now if you put your name and email address in, this company, they will send one email per day for 45 days. You don't have to do autoresponding. You can if you want, but this company will totally write and get a hold of that person, might be you, to remind you or teach you about this opportunity. That's all I do. I invite people to PleaseWatchVideo.com. And guess what? It'll also promote my LiveGood business too, which is joincory.com. So instead of throwing people 3 or 4 different locations, for example, going to a Nike store, and then you go, I don't know, 5 miles down the street and buy some pants. And then, I don't know, maybe there's a baseball hat store 14 miles. And then you're hungry, so you drive 5 miles back home and you stop and, I don't know, get yourself some pizza. Sure, all 4 things you're going to buy, but you're scattered all over the place. What I like is everything inclusive. It's kind of like going on a cruise ship. You pay, let's say, $1,000 or $2,000, and you're there. You can sleep, you can relax, you can eat, entertainment, stop at a few islands. But what I mean by inclusive is you pay a certain flat fee, and your beverages and your food are all included, except usually alcohol. And try not to gamble, because those ships just have gambling everywhere. But I like when one person goes to a website and they can get education on how to learn to do a video like this, or maybe just be interesting when you're talking to someone on a street level. Maybe teach you how to make business cards at like Vistaprint, or your boy here, Cory, will teach you absolutely how to, go joincory.com, buy it for $11.99, and forward it to a capture page. In my case, it goes to LiveGood. All right. I just simply invite a lot of people to watch little short videos. I do not have to do video like you're watching right now. I like doing this. I have a lot of fun just putting my webcam on and shooting shooting the sheet, as my dad would say. Okay. You don't even have to do any video at all with LiveGood or this opportunity that I'm showing you. 0. You don't have to do any, because there's already awesome videos that are made for you that you can just click, boom, watch. And then you can invite people to do the same. The only difference is if you join, that when they do, you can make anywhere from 20, 50, 100. Can you make $300 or $400 a day? I've been lucky enough to make way over that, 10 times that. And it's because when people see the website and you can put in 2 opportunities, and maybe it's LiveGood, and maybe you're in, let's say, I don't know, Herbalife. I'm trying to think of other MLMs. I don't really do MLMs. I like LiveGood because it's about products, and you don't have to buy any products to make money. But let's just say you are in another network marketing business. LiveGood doesn't care. There's no competition. This website that you're going to look into doesn't care. It's a place like a shopping mall. In the shopping mall, of course, they want shoe stores and pants and maybe electronics. All right. You go in the middle kiosks and there's cell phone covers. All right. Fix your screen if you crack it. There's a lot of cool stuff at the mall. That's kind of how this website is. And when people join, and I'll tell you what, they will join, it's nice to make a nice, healthy paycheck, either per day, per week, or it could be per month or year. It depends on how you look at it. But this place that I'm going to show you, PleaseWatchVideo.com, they pay, well, you know how much you're going to get paid every Friday, and it funds that next Monday. Okay, so every Friday I get a text, and I have a couple incomes, and it shows me exactly how much I made. And then Monday, when I get up, I'll go to my bank here in Utah, and it's funded. They've never missed a payment in a year or two. Okay? And the only way that you're going to really get to know this opportunity is to just sit back and watch the video. PleaseWatchVideo.com. Okay. I can take you in the back office and show you a bunch of menus and drop down things. And it's kind of boring. When I watch my old videos promoting this opportunity, I just sit there and go, people just want to see, what the hell does this do? Make a decision. Are you even interested? Even if it was free, are you interested or not? And don't worry, this is not a high ticket thing. Okay. You can join by the month or by the year, and it's affordable. I don't do high ticket stuff where you got to get out a credit card and max it out at 5 to 10 grand. There's no upsells either, like, oh, and there's more. Okay. You either pay by the month or save quite a bit of money and just go ahead and join by the year. It's totally up to your budget. And this video, pleasewatchvideo.com, explains everything in great detail. Okay, so your assignment is to go, if you'd like to look into LiveGood, joincory.com. Okay. I hope you join LiveGood. It's a good company. They have good products, and I'll tell you what, you're not going to find a better opportunity online. You just type top home businesses in 2023 and 2024, LiveGood. You type it in 2025 here in a couple months, and I'll tell you what, we're going to have the same results. LiveGood is the real deal. It's changing lives, and it's really nice to buy products that you can afford and you're not embarrassed to buy. So joincory.com. Then I want you to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. It's going to take you to this exact page, and you're just going to click this YouTube video and watch as well. Okay? And then you just make a decision. You're either in or out and LiveGood or this opportunity here. I'm really good at both. Okay? Life is going pretty darn good for me right now. LiveGood, LG. LiveGood. Yeah, life is good. Isn't that LG, the electronics? Isn't that what LG means? Okay? I want you to live good too. We're coming to the end of 2024, but why not kick off 2025 in just one badass fashion? Okay, it's only September. We got a few months to go. I'm still in sunny and warm Utah, but wintertime's coming up. Okay, now's the time to join opportunities like this. People love online business right now. Hiking, biking, fishing, all that stuff kind of goes in the back burner when you live in states that have 4 seasons like I do. Okay, but if you look up traditional recruiting numbers, right now is the best time. August to September, the kids are back in school. You got to start planning for October, in America, Halloween. All right, what do you got in November? Yeah, you got Thanksgiving. And of course, you got Christmas and holidays for most people. And if you live in a other country, of course, you got your own holidays and festivities coming up. But right now, I'm just telling you straight up, it is September 2024. And this is the best time to not only join you LiveGood, but to join this opportunity too. Because if you're going to put time and effort into LiveGood, why not have 4 incomes instead of 1? If you just join LiveGood, that's awesome. But you only have 1 opportunity. I'm telling you straight up, if you join this opportunity I'm presenting to you, it's darn nice to have 4 incomes with the same effort. I had no idea. I didn't know if it'd work or not. I joined. All of a sudden I was making hundreds of bucks, $600, $300. This is per day. I've had thousands of dollars in one day come in. And all I do is invite people to watch a movie, a little video. And in this case, do I need to repeat? You know what to do. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, guys, I am done. Thank you for the 18 minutes and 45 seconds that this video, I think, took to produce. If you need something, all right, it's Cory at CoryDraper.com. I've had the same email for about 35 years. I'm not shy. You need something like information or maybe you have a couple questions, get a hold of me. I'm extremely well knowledgeable about LiveGood at this point, and especially this opportunity here with pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, peace and love. I'm at 19 minutes. Thank you for your time and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, peace and love, and we'll see you next video. Thanks, guys. Take care.